Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make goat meat full guide. Trim any excess fat and silver skin, then rinse briefly if desired. Use sharp knives and clean surfaces to avoid contamination. Seasoning and marinating choices depend on regional flavors and cooking method. Keep meat at safe temperatures and follow timing guidelines for tenderness. I'll walk you through trimming, marinating, and cooking steps for reliable results every time. Combine basic ingredients like yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and spices in a bowl. Coat goat pieces evenly and refrigerate so flavors penetrate the meat. Rotate pieces occasionally for consistent marination. Adjust salt and heat level to your taste. Some prefer mild while others want robust spice. Proper marinating improves texture and reduces gamey notes, making the meat more enjoyable whether you grill, braise, or roast it for family meals. Choose a cooking method based on cut and desired texture, like grilling chops or braising shoulder for tender results. Preheat pan or grill to the right temperature and sear to lock in juices when appropriate. For stews, simmer gently until connective tissue breaks down and meat becomes tender. Rest cooked pieces briefly before slicing to preserve juices. I'll explain timing and techniques so your goat dishes turn out flavorful and perfectly textured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.